Hello mga Inday! Welcome again sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video mga Inday, as you can see, andito kami ngayon naman ulit sa Nicasio. So mag-fishing kami ulit. So today is my husband birthday mga Inday. Ay birthday ni uncle niyo today. Then pero bukas pagawin yung okasyon mga Inday kasi nga may trabaho yung family niya, yung ibang family niya. So bukas pagawin yung okasyon, tapos doon sa bahay gaganapin yung birthday ni uncle ninyo. So today kasi ang birthday niya mga Inday, so sabi niya ganyan na mag-fishing kami. Actually mga Inday, pinapili niya ako, gusto mo bang ano bang gusto mo bukas? Ngayon nga mga Inday, gawin natin. Gusto mo gusto mo maggala-gala sa maggala-gala sa doon banda sa amin ba mga Inday? Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, no. Yung ano ang gusto mo or yung ano ang ikakasaya mo ba? Yun ang gawin natin. Sabi niya ganyan, gusto ko mag-fishing. So, of course mga Inday, kasi birthday man ni Uncle Ninyo, nag-fishing kami kasi yun ang kasayahan niya mga Inday. So, gusto ni Uncle Ninyo ba peaceful mind or parang ma-relieve yung mga isipin niya di mga stress kasi ano yung mga Inday, sa Uncle Ninyo may pagka-stress din niya kasi lalo na sa mga maraming babayarin na bills. So, na-stress din si Uncle. So, kaya kailangan niya mag-relax. And then, straight 1 week din ang pagtrabaho niya mga Inday. Ayan. So, bali 4 days ang trabaho niya mga Inday. Kasi doon, ngayon Friday, wala siyang trabaho kasi nga birthday niya of course. So, balik na naman siya magtrabaho ngayong Monday mga Inday. Ayan. And sa Uncle ninyo, he is 39 years old mga Inday.
Try add 20 years to that. What
So,
a beating.
Okay mga Inday, kantahan natin si Uncle.
It's a beating.
Happy
Sorry, everybody.
birthday to you.
I'm 59
Happy
and an old man, and
birthday
next year
to
I'm gonna
you.
drown myself in the lake.
Happy birthday, dear. Huh? Oh my God, you can say that, fish?
What? I didn't see it.
Happy
See, I'm old. I can't even see the fish
birthday,
jump anymore.
dear. What you can say here, dear snail? Why you say that? Why you need to
What do
sing
you
that?
say, dear?
Yeah.
That's how the Americans do it. I don't know.
In Philippines, it
You
say,
say happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you.
I live
Happy
in a
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy
We
birthday
show to
to
you.
you.
Nikki, I'm very depressed.
Maligayang bati. Maligayang
20 years I'll be
bati.
dead.
Maligayang
Yeah.
bati. Happy birthday, my love.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna be dead in 20 years.
I wish
Or before.
your birthday that you are still strong. God can give you a lot of birthday
How about
until
fish?
we're both getting old. And I
you're
hope
not gonna
our
be old.
relationship are getting stronger and stronger, and I hope everything is smooth and
And
everything is
you can
easy
wipe
for
You
us.
can wipe my butt in 20
So
years. 'cause
that's
I'm
it,
gonna
and
be
I
old.
love you. I love you, love.
I love you, love. If you do, I'm old. I'm feeling bad.
Always, always.
Always, always.
Feeling old, feeling old.
We show.
Naiinis ako mga to be honest mga Inday, to be honest mga Inday, I'm gonna say this in English. To be honest mga Inday, Uncle, he don't like to celebrate his birthday because every year his age is like getting like it's odd. It's like what does that mean?
Older.
Getting
Older.
getting older, but
I
his-
just turned 50 and now I'm turning 60.
yeah, I know, love,
This
but
is terrible.
look, the deer.
Oh, they're back. There they
They're
are.
back. So
Mommy and her baby.
So his action or his action or his like even his look, it's young, it's still young. He's like it seems like he's in 30s.
I know my actions are young because my
Yeah.
brain. Oh, there's a little fish.
Yeah, it's
My
me.
brain is still 20.
So it
Why?
doesn't matter to me how old are you. If you're hundreds, I don't fucking care now.
Well, you'll be wiping my butt if I live that long.
Of course, that's why I work. I was like
You'll be a caregiver for
study
me.
as a caregiver so I can
I'll be pooping all over
maybe you can
You'll
wipe
have
my
to-
butt.
Wipe me.
Yeah. So
Come on, Fritzy, I have to poop.
yun mga Inzay.
Too late, I already did. That's what
Ayaw
I'm
lang ko
gonna say
ninyo
to
ng
you.
birthday kasi nga nadadagdagan yung edad niya. Pero ay sabi ko sa kanya, it doesn't matter sa edad. you look younger than your age. It's not, your age is not emphasize your face or your look because your action is still young. So that's it. So mga inday.
Ishibabi.
May ano siya mga inday, may mga, is that a pet or is
No,
this
no.
a wild?
They're half wild, but they probably go up there and they feed them.
Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung deer.
My glasses? I wouldn't be able to see those without my glasses on unless it ran. Yeah, it's a mommy and two baby owls.
Is that they are doe and what is that the mother, what called is the mother,
It's the doe.
doe and the mother, what called?
Doe. That's the doe. And then the baby yearlings, the babies.
Earlings. Oh, so the mother is doe,
Yeah.
so the father is
A buck.
buck, and then the kids is
Yearlings.
earlings,
Yeah, yearlings.
yearlings. Okay, I get it now.
The babies.
So if the baby bear is called
Cub.
cub, yeah, and even the tiger is cub, right? Their baby is it's
The
cub.
girl lion is called a lioness.
Oh, okay, I have an idea right now.
A lion and a
Don't
lioness.
leave your kids.
And you have a tiger and a tigress. A woman is a tigress.
Really? I don't know that.
Oh, you learn something new every day. When you're my age, you learn a lot when you're old.
Always patalastas. So ayan mga inday, mag-coffee muna tayo bago tayo magkikwentuhan. Thank you so much again to May de Guzman. Alam yung mga inday, nag-send sa akin siya ng link nito ba? Pupunta ako doon, bibilhan ko sa uncle ninyo nito. So I'm gonna get a gray one before we can go hunting for this. So you have this and
A gray one. Oh, yeah. That's a nice cup. You see that?
exactly. It is
Whoever
really,
gave her that,
you have to zip the coffee.
very
Zip-
nice,
zip it,
very
zip it.
nice cup.
Yeah.
She very much appreciates that.
So her, thank you so much.
Pussy, I said pussy appreciates that.
Yeah. So anyway mga inday, kain tayo ng utap. Kahapon, pumunta ako sa Filipino
Still
store sa Ronald Park. Bumili tayo ng pandikoko mga inday, nakadalawa na ako. Ang sarap ng pandikoko.
Hello,
Then,
Panako.
kinain ko isa kanina, yung kahapon kumain ako. Is that a fish or just like, is it a duck, love?
I don't know. I didn't see that one either. Probably a fish.
It's a fish, maybe.
Remember what she said yesterday? There was no fish jumping. Remember?
Yeah.
And now look at all the fishes. So when the sun comes out, see, the fish start to move instead of just sit there
Mm.
because it's cold. So we should be getting bites here when the sun hits the water. We're here perfect. Usually don't get here till 9. FYU, I gotta do.
Bibili ako nito mga inday, yung malaki. Mas mahal, $30. See that? They're also there.
What? Oh, that was a little fish. Yeah, they're starting to jump, so it's good.
Nobody na buy.
See, I have another thought that I might try this at another time. We're not catching fish. Okay, so this isn't deep. Wonder,
It isn't deep.
it's not deep at all. You could probably walk across this and not go underwater.
Okay.
But there is a creek in the middle.
Mm.
It's like a creek in the middle of this.
I don't know.
Because this is dried up before.
Okay.
The whole lake has been dry besides the dam. So, if I put a big float, a bobber, here, put that stuff right here that leaks out, and then put a hook here with a piece of corn. As it's floating, the stuff is leaking out like this. If you see it, and there's the corn just floating along.
Yeah.
I wonder if that would work. I might try that
Perfect,
later.
yeah.
But I don't have a bobber anymore. I don't think. That's big enough to
I think the fish it's easy to attract that because it's like,
it's gonna be going like this
Yes.
as it's floating over the corn.
yeah, because the cereal is like small and the
Yeah.
corn is big, so it's like a trap.
Yeah, so I might try that later.
You have a barber?
I don't know. That's the only problem. I don't think I have a bobber anymore. That's a big one. Let's see.
Ubus na mga inday.
Bobber. I have a small bobber. I have these, but these aren't big enough. Do that. I might try that. There's a baby bobber. That's too schmeow.
So parang walang isda ngayon mga Inday, pero ang daming tumatalon na mga isda. So sana makakuha kami. Ayan. Palitan ni Uncle yung barber. Look at that, it's empty. So papalitan ni Uncle yung ano mga Inday, maglagay siya ng barbers. Yung naka-floating ba. Ayan. Birthday niya pero nag-fishing kami kasi ito naman yung kaligayahan niya mga Inday.
Asaba.
Then, go tayo.
Asaba. Asaba yun na.
Ba't kayo yung mga mga ducks, mga Inday, hindi sila nilalamig, no? Ayan. Ang daming ducks. Mga wild yan, mga Inday. So, ito yung Nicasio. Ayan. So, ipakita ko sa inyo Nicasio, mga Inday. Pinakamagandang lugar dito na pwede mag-fishing. Kung taga-ano kayo, taga Bay Area, punta kayo dito, mga Inday. O, nakaka-relax. Magdala lang kayo ng mga foods. Ayan, habang nag-fishing kayo, ayan. Kung may magjowa kayo, perfect ganitong lugar, ayan. Ang ganda. So, ayan mga Inday, maglagay sa kulin nyo ng bait. So, tell them what is that, what you can put that bait.
This is oatmeal, strawberry jello, spam, and corn.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Be careful.
Strong Springs. It's good. Not Sean Springs. That's a football player from Ohio State. Got drafted by Seattle Seahawks. Long time ago. I don't know how that even came into my mind. Got corn. Look at these little weeds. They sure. Look at that. They sure stick the line, don't they? They give it the E-show. I don't even know if this is gonna work. But we're gonna see.
Maybe it's working.
Let's see. Does it work? Does it?
So, ayan na mga Inday, magka-casting na si uncle niya. Perfecto.
It worked. That's kind of funny. Let's see if that works. If that.
But the question is, do you think the bite
I don't know. I would hope
or we can go home zero?
that would suck.
It
But
is.
it's only not even 8 o'clock yet, is it?
Not yet. I don't know. Sa may bahay doon mga Inday, oh, mga mayaman. Pag ganyan, pag nakatira sa bukid naman ganyan, mga mayaman yan. Ayan, may own sila ng ranch. Kasi may mga bakahan sila, may kabayuan and everything. So mayaman yan sila. Ayan, oh. Diba nakita nyo yan? Andyan lahat yung mga kamag-anak. Charot lang. Ayan. Diba? Sana all. Siya, Hindi takot sa ano, mga Inday, san. Ako takot.
There, how's that?
Kaya mukha na tayong aswang pag initan tayo, kaagad tayo nangitim. Lalo na yung mukha ko.
Okay.
Ugh.
Is that good?
It's perfect, love. Thank you, love.
Yes, love.
Tignan nyo nga, ang ganda tingnan. Nagsama yung mga pato at saka yung mga deer. Mga pato? Ano pala yan? Wild, basta ducks. Mga wild ducks. I think something fire, love. They can get
Smell or see?
they can get water. They get water.
Is that what he's doing right now? Yeah, he's
Yeah.
getting water. He's sucking up, he's getting water. Now he's gonna take off. Gross.
2,000 years later.
So, ayan mga after 2,000 years, wala kaming huli, charot lang. And then, kaya nag-decide kami ni Uncle Ninyo na umuwi na kasi nga inaantok na ako at saka nakatulog na talaga ako mga inzay. And hindi naman nagsisi si Uncle Ninyo na walang huli mga inday, which is gustong-gusto din niyang ganitong lugar. Kaya ma-refresh yung utak mo at marirelax ka din. Ayan, may peace of mind ka dito. And which is gustong-gusto ko din kay para malayo ako sa social media. And anyway mga inday, sa mga nagtatanong bakit wala akong Facebook, yes, dinilit ko na yung Facebook, dini-activate ko lang yung Facebook ko. Kasi ang daming nagchat sa akin mga inday, yung mga kapitbahay namin, yung mga kakilala ko, sinisendan ako ng mga bills ng hospital, yung mga anak nila nagkasakit, yung mga asawa nila nagkasakit, tapos nanghihingi ng tulong. So, nahiya man ako mga inday ang ginawa ko, nag-deactive na lang ako para hindi na ako habol kasi nga mga inday, wala man akong maibigay sa totoo lang kasi wala rin akong trabaho, umaasa lang din ako sa vlog ko na hindi naman kalakihan yung sweldo natin. At saka umaasa lang din ako kay Uncle Ninyo, which is Uncle Ninyo wala rin stable na masyadong trabaho. And then, ang dami rin namin bayarin. So, sana sa mga nanonood dyan, yung mga hindi ko nire-reply, sana maintindihan nyo ako and patawarin nyo ako kung nawala na ako sa Facebook. So, yun lang mga inday. You can back here to get the chair.
Why? That's a snail. Come all the way back. You know why? I want to do that. You want to know why? That's it. Good luck. Take care. You know why I want to come back right here? Or not bring the chair? Why do you think? You were to guess. Why would you think?
I'm going to bring the...
You know why? Because I have to come all the way back twice, and I don't want to do it.
I can go back.
No.
I can go back. Just leave the chair. So, ayun mga inday, update. Wala kaming kuha ni Uncle. Uwi na lang kami mga inday. And I'm very sad for his birthday.
That's sad.
And I always-
get out.
and
Hey,
I
this
al-
is better than working.
Yeah, I always nice to him today, but
No, she wasn't. She slept. She never talked to me once. I was all by myself today. She slept while I
she
did.
slept. Did you? I'm
hope
very
you have
nice to him. I always love him mga inday.
I hope you have 15 ticks on you.
To cheer him up because we're not get fish, so I'm gonna love him and always care of
Gonna
him.
go home, go to sleep till 10 tonight.
What
And
is
when
this
I
sound?
count,
Patakot yung highway. Ang ganda sa Nicasio mga inday. Yan, pauwi na kami and mag-ano tayo, rest sa tugon. Naantok ako mga zay.
count.
So ito yung handa ni uncle yung mga inday. Birthday.
Just gonna miss out blowing the candles.
Oh yeah!
What are you doing?
From you.
No. That don't smell.
What is that?
Somebody peed on it.
You talking to...
Those jokes are always funny, and I always listen to you.
So we need one more for, well, no, one more for outside, Dee and
That's cute. Cute. That's cute. Oh, this is a little birthday. His little signature. Isn't that cute?
Aww.
Oh my god.
he told me
Share my food. Raw.
he doesn't want to eat right now, so hi.
Hi. Oh, this is another one? Is this King? Ooh, okay, this is who?
It's King.
This one says love Kai, and then that's
Oh, that's from both of them.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, these we gotta have.
Put this in the fridge.
And for that, for me or you?
You.
Okay.
And then mine, and then we're done,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
And there's still.
Well,
And I guess you could go.
Oh my god, she got so little.
You can't read
Now what? No, oh, we did. It was kind of right.
it.